If you forgot your iPad passcode, how to unlock iPad passcode without computer, and how to unlock iPad without iTunes as well. In this video, we will let you know how to unlock iPad passcode without computer or iTunes, and other methods to unlock iPad passcode. Method 1. Unlock iPad passcode without computer or iTunes by using Security Lockout. If your iPad is running iPasscode 15.2 or late, and it can be connected to a cellular or Wi-Fi network very well, then you can use the Security Lockout screen to unlock iPad. After you tried more than 7 times wrong screen passcode, a button to erase iPad will appear and click Erase iPad, and enter the correct Apple ID to confirm your choice. After that, your iPad will automatically reset to factory settings, and the original iPad screen passcode will be removed. You can reset a new screen passcode. Method 2. Unlock iPad passcode without computer or iTunes by using Siri. This method requires iPad running iPasscode 8.1 to iPasscode 10.1, and it doesn't always guarantee success, but you still can have a try. Press and hold the home button for a few seconds to activate Siri. Then ask Siri to open an app that you don't have on your iPad. Siri will scan the iPad and reply to you that the app you said doesn't exist on this device, and Siri will bring up the App Store icon on your screen. Press the icon and a new browser window will pop out. Then you can get Task Slide Preview by selecting the last app or update other apps. Close the Activate Front Screen task, and you will find that Y.O can operate your iPad without entering password. Method 3. Unlock iPad passcode without computer or iTunes by using iCloud. You can use any device to enter an iCloud official website, which include the mobile phone or computer. Then choose Find My option. After that, select the iPad you want to unlock. Click the Erase iPad button to factory reset your iPad, and then input your Apple ID passcode to confirm your choice. Method 4. Use iTunes to unlock iPad. Launch the latest iTunes on your computer, and connect your computer to iPad using a USB cable. Select the device icon in the upper left corner of the iTunes interface. Click on Summary and press Restore iPad. To confirm your choice, click the Restore button again, and iTunes will factory reset your iPad. The original iPad screen passcode will be removed. Method 5. Use Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker to unlock iPad. Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker is a powerful software that enables you to unlock iPad safely and instantly, not only iPad, but also iPhone and iPod Touch. Now let me show you how to unlock iPad with Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker. Launch Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker on PC or Mac, and connect the locked iPad to the PC or Mac. Select the Unlock iOS screen option, and click the Start button to continue. Put your iPad into DFU mode or recovery mode. After you did it, click Next button to proceed. Click Download button, and it start to download and verify the firmware package. After that, click Unlock button, and confirm it. Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker will unzip the firmware package, and unlock iPad. After a few minutes, the unlock will complete, and the previous screen passcode will be removed. You can set a new iPad screen passcode.